Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the in-store availability of a particular product in the ZARA application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on either the search bar or go to your wish list and select the product that you are interested in and would like to check out its in-store availability. Scroll down and click on the in-store availability option down below. Select the size that you are looking for. You can select more than one, as you can see, and after that tap on the check availability button at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see your selected store, but if you would like to alter it, so check out the availability in another store, you can use the search bar by typing in the name of your city, and you can see the available stores. As you tap on it, you can see how many items are there. You can see that it's available in all three that you have selected in this particular one. You can get information about the store and check out in which floor you can find the selected item. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.